Greetings guys, gals, buddies, and pals. I'm the one that referred to as Dezi Perado, and today we're going to make a drill beat. If you're into this kind of thing, consider liking and subscribing. Let's check it out. I picked a bell sound for this melody. I'll put some arrows on the screen so you can see which ones. We gotta find some scary chords. I want to put a little pattern in between this. Something like this. Yeah. So I want to put another arpeggio in between the cello and the regular loop that I made here. I want the arpeggio to go kind of scary scale, 3 keys just going down 3 octaves. I'm gonna have to paste this in because it might be too fast for me to actually play it in. So give me 1 second here, I'll be right back. Somewhere around here. Here it is. Yes. Now I'm going to actually copy this row and then I'm going to paste it to this row to double them up. Yes. And then I'm going to give this a roll on the end here. But then I'm going to put a roll on the beginning of this one here. 4. Yes. Yep. With the pan. Yeah. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do is the bass line. I got the 808 glide. Here we go. So I'm going to use something like this, and I'm going to use this as a bass, and then I'm going to go mess around with it and make some octaves and things like that to do some glides. I'll be right back while I paste this in. I made some changes to the bass line. Let's check it out now. The last thing I did was format it to a proper beat. Let's listen to the full beat now.